Hi friends! I finally decided to record a video in English. It's a little scary for me, but I really want to try and I hope you will support me. So, make yourself a cup of tea, grab your knitting, and let's spend some cozy time together. This week I've been thinking a lot about whether I should continue my channel. I got myself comparing my work to other knitters. It feels like they create so easily. Their ideas are always amazing, and mine, well, not always how I imagined. But then I reminded myself of something important. Never compare yourself to others. The only comparison worth making is to your past self. Every knitter has their own journey, full of mistakes, frogging, and experiments. Even the most popular designers once started from their very first stitch. Can you guess which stitch pattern I'm using here? It looks so beautiful. And the best part? It doesn't even need any edge finishing. Right now I'm working with a new yarn for this summer vest. I'll show you the vest in just a minute. But first, let me share a little secret, in case you don't know it yet. To keep your yarn ball from rolling away, simply put the working yarn from the center of the ball. That way it will stay perfectly in place and won't run off the table. It feels so soft and light. I can't wait to see how it turns out in the finished piece. Hopefully I will be able to show you the vest in one of my next videos. Today I won't explain how to knit this pattern. I just want to relax and talk. But if you like this stitch and want a full tutorial, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to make a detailed video for you. So don't be afraid to knit swatches, try different yarns and tools. Only by experimenting you can discover your own style and find what brings you joy in knitting. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. Sometimes it's enough to finish a project and look at it with fresh eyes. You will see how far you have come. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, give it a thumb up and subscribe. It really means a lot and helps me keep going.